In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your vendors to QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances through QuickBooks, keeping an organized list of your vendors is essential. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to get started by navigating to the Expenses section, which you can find conveniently located on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Vendors. Clicking this will take you to a place where you can manage all the companies or individuals you transact with. Once the Vendors page opens up, you'll be greeted by a list of all the vendors you've previously added. This page provides a clear overview of your existing vendors, helping you keep track of who you work with regularly. Now, if you have a new vendor you need to add, simply head on up to the top right corner of this page and click on New Vendor. This button is your gateway to adding new business relationships into your system. After clicking that New Vendor button, you'll be prompted to fill in the details of your vendor. Start with the basics, entering their name and contact information. It's crucial to input accurate information here so that you or your team can easily reach out or identify the vendor later. Beyond the essentials, you might have more specific details to fill in, such as the vendor's address. This can be incredibly handy if you need to send any physical correspondence or shipments. Make sure to double-check these fields for any typos or errors before proceeding. Next, you'll see options to enter bill pay ACH details if applicable. This feature can streamline your payment process, ensuring that everything is handled smoothly and efficiently. Additionally, there's space to enter any relevant tax information. This is important because having comprehensive records can save you a lot of hassle during tax season. In the same vein, if there are any specific notes you need to keep about this vendor, feel free to add them in the Notes section. These can include special terms, past interactions, or anything unique about the vendor that might be beneficial to remember. Once all the details are carefully and accurately filled in, it's time to wrap things up. Simply scroll down and click Save at the bottom right corner of the page. And just like that, you've successfully added your new vendor to QuickBooks Online. Managing your vendors this way not only keeps your business transactions organized, but also ensures that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips whenever you need it. It's as straightforward as that. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping!